How to block an email address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app on iPhone is a pre-installed application that allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. It offers features like adding multiple email accounts, composing, sending, and scheduling emails, and organizing emails into categories. Once you're here, tap on Inbox at the top. You can view all your emails over here. Open any email from here. Then, tap on the sender's name as shown. If you want to block this person, then tap on their name again. Over here, you can view their contact information. Then, tap on Block this contact below. Tap on Block this contact again to confirm. You have now successfully blocked this contact. Following these steps, you can easily block an email address on iPhone.